Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off touch sound in Samsung J4. So let us start our video. Firstly click on the setting icon. After that you will see many options. Swipe up and we will click on the sound and notifications. After that click on the ringtones and sounds. After that swipe up and here you will see touch sound is on. It means that it play sound when we making the screen selection or touch the screen. So firstly off this, it means that it doesn't play sound when making the screen selection or touch the screen. So in this way you will turn off touch sound in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you to off touch sound in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.